guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to do some stewed eggplant today. Now what you want is to get yourself two nice firm eggplant, fresh preferably, right? We're going to start by cutting it. Now, alright, so pretty much you can accompany it with rice, quinoa, ground provision, anything you feel for, you can have it with it. Alright, so let's get started. Don't forget guys to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. So we don't want to use the head of it, right? Which is, you want to make sure your vegetable is clean, guys. So pretty much I cut off the little head. Alright, so you can cut them in whatever size you want. I'm going to cut them in bite-sized pieces. So as you see, I just turning the eggplant at an angle and just cutting as I go along, right? And guys, comment below some of the dishes that you make with eggplant. Alright, what you want to do guys is to sprinkle some salt to extract most of the water from the eggplant. And you can do this and just rest it for around 10 minutes. Alright, now that we have extracted some of the water, we're going to season our eggplants. I'm going to go in with some garlic powder. All-purpose seasoning, guys. You can use whatever seasoning you have on hand or whatever you like, right? I'm going to use some salt. And pepper. We're also going to coat this in some cornstarch. Right, so now that everything is properly covered with the seasoning, we're going to just put some cornstarch on there, right? Right, you see how everything look nice, guys? That's exactly what we want. But just feel so we want a little bit more sauce on there. For this, you want to make sure your oil is hot enough. No, you don't want to use a lot of oil, and the oil that I'm using is the grapeseed oil, right? So you want to make sure it's nice and hot. In with our eggplants. So pretty much what you want to do is to just fry these off until they're nice and golden brown. Alright guys, we're nice and crispy here. I'm going to take these out. Alright guys, so while the second batch is frying off, we're going to make the sauce, which include ketchup, a little bit of vinegar, some sugar. If you want to use any other sweetener, totally fine, right? Some soy sauce, and the soy sauce will kind of brown the sauce, right? If you don't have the soy sauce, you can always use a Jamaican browning. But sure, I know some of you guys overseas not familiar with the Jamaica browning. You can always use the soy sauce, the light one. Going in with some water. So you add the soy sauce to the nice color that you want, right? So the darkness that you're looking for, the soy sauce can give it to you. Alright, let's move over to the pot here. Alright, we're going to go in with some more oil. Just a little. And we're going to add in the garlic first. And our ginger. Very nice aroma, guys. Oh my gosh. So as soon as you get that nice lovely flavor coming up, we're going to add the onions, Scotch bonnet pepper, and some scallion. And going in with our ketchup mixture. And the reason why we did not add any cornstarch to the sauce here is because the coating of the eggplant has cornstarch, which is going to help to thicken the sauce some more, right? So you can taste it to see if your sauce is okay. Alright, now our eggplants has finished frying off. We're going to add them to the sauce. You can notice our sauce here is pretty lovely. Look at that. The color is there. That's what we're looking for, the nice stew color. Right, we're going to add in the eggplant. And this here should not take long, right? We don't want them to start to get mushy on you, right? So as soon as it hit the pot and you just give it like around 3 minutes in the pot here, we take it off. And there is it, guys. A nice easy way you can enjoy eggplant with a Jamaican infused flavor. I hope you'll give this recipe a try most of all, right? So we can just get a little bubbles in there and then we turn it off. Don't cover your pot, guys. And you can freshen things up with some nice fresh scallion. And you can have dinner in what? 15 minutes. A nice healthy dinner in 15 minutes. I had cooked some rice a little earlier, so I'm just gonna enjoy it with my eggplant. Such a lovely easy meal, guys. You can meal prep and take this to work. And like I said earlier, you can enjoy it with pretty much anything, right? And this is just regular plain rice. We never add nothing but salt and water, guys. Quick, easy, delicious meal we have here, guys. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.